Buddy, hopefully you guys are having a good day today and made as much money as the rest of us over here fucking killing it on these puts. I've only taken 2 trades today, and shockingly, one of them was calls, and they were both winners. So I scalped Tesla for like 8%. And then I hit that nasty Microsoft trade on the way down this morning that you guys all saw me go through. We walked through that one, used the stop loss strategy, played it down to the level, made 33%, and then got the fuck out. So again, I mean, I'm up like 1.62, 1.64% on the day. Unless I see anything really, really freaking good out in the market right now, I'm probably not going to touch a whole lot, but we are probably going to cause a little bit of emotional damage in this stream too, because there are some people out there that fucking deserve it. So again, guys, this is a public stream. So if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way in, it helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here. Let's see what we're going to get again. Oh my Lord, the SPY is down to 392. Oh my God, it broke 393. Holy shit. It's pretty aggressive, man. That is a pretty aggressive move down. So I hope you guys are having a good day. We're able to capitalize on this move. If you weren't and you're looking for a home to come and actually learn how to trade with some of the best tools out there for retail investors, we've got something for you at or around a week. Remember, platform signups are pretty much closed right now. We are in the process of funneling everybody in that is already existing members of our community to our all brand new platform, which should be done within the next week or so. And then we'll open it up to the rest of you guys so that you guys can come and see what we've been working on. It's pretty fucking cool. We've got some other stuff going on too. So how you guys doing? You're still holding your 395 puts? Jesus. What up, bro? Up a lot on SPY puts? There you go, man. There you go. Clip, hey, market sell off. Yeah, exactly. It is selling off. Rogue civilian. I know you're just kidding because that dumbass yesterday. All thanks to 1348. You're still holding that SPY put from 398? Jesus, bro. There you go, man. Again, I love seeing you guys make money. And at the end of the day, I think some of you guys heard it a little bit on the stream with Gabe. I want you guys making money, and we're going to do some emotional damaging right now so that this is actually in the beginning part of the stream so that any stragglers are going to come in here are going to see this and actually have a good understanding of kind of the reasoning behind everything. So Ape is now at 88 cents. Everybody, make sure you run up the likes on this stream. Ape currently is at 88 cents. I told everybody it was a pile of shit between 7 and 8. Okay, cool. Now, what you guys may not understand, those of you guys that aren't necessarily in the social media space, is that more views equals more money. Now, at the end of the day, when you're looking and you have an audience of people that watch you, especially in this space, you have to understand that you have to be careful what you say, because no matter how many times you say, do not do this. This is not financial advice, in which I don't think I ever did. It was all about giving you guys the accurate information as things are in reality and making sure that you guys had the actual information to make your own decisions. Now, I can have my opinion on it, which I did tell you guys, but at the end of the day, it's your decision. Cool, whatever. But with an audience, you have to be very careful because, especially in this space, people's money's at risk. Now, I want you guys to understand the situation, and I told you guys this for probably the first time ever, about what was actually going on behind the scenes. In terms of like the money that was involved, I think because of all of like the AMC content and everything like that, live streams, everything like that. Again, people don't know this, but I had like 20 something thousand subscribers before, and I was making 3 videos a day before AMC, and I was making decent money. But when I was doing those videos and stuff, when I actually believed that this had a lot of potential before Ape, I think I was making between $10,000 and $14,000 a month. Remember, I was in college. I'm a college kid. I was going to go to law school, and I said, I'm going to do YouTube instead. Okay. So I've got a nice stream of income coming in, and then something drastically changes in terms of the situation. Now, what did I not do? I don't give a fuck about the money, bro. I don't care. I care about you guys all making money. The people that are still talking about Ape, that think that this is still a good idea, are fucking morons, and they are using you for money. You have to understand they are using you for money. People that said Ape's going to 80, nope. It's the wrong fucking 80 here, pal. It's 88 cents. Morons. People don't know what they're talking about. Now, I try to help people, and I'm going to get a little bit pissed off about this because people's money is actually at fucking risk. These are real people that are watching us. Real people are out here listening to people saying that this is going to go up to some crazy fucking amount when it's literally a modified GoFundMe. Like, I don't get it. And the thing is that people are still doing it because they want that YouTube check. They are using you. You are being used. As soon as the whole situation changed, instantly, told you guys, everybody got pissed. I don't care though. I'm fully fine with people getting pissed at me if I know that I'm telling you the right information and protecting you from a fucking 90% drop with only 30 million of cash raised. It's fucking pathetic. And it pisses me off that there are still people out there that think it's funny or it's cool that they have a following and they're literally just leading people to the slaughter. You are losing money. That's not what we're here to do. It doesn't matter. People can still be like, oh, but I did it. No. Doesn't matter. You're following these people. You have to be very, very, very careful. So careful with who you're listening to, or else you're going to get fucked. Just like we saw here. So that's kind of what I have to say about this. Ape is a pile of garbage, bro. I told you guys at 7. It's at 888. Who's buying this right now? Why? Why? Don't get it, man. But that's all I have to say about that. I want everybody to make sure that the reasoning why, like, and the thing is, when I made that video, I knew exactly what was going to happen. That 10 to 14 grand a month, gone. Goodbye. Do I care? No, I care more about you guys having the accurate information to go and make money in the damn market, not about some groupthink bullshit and having people like me on the internet. I don't give a flying motherfuck if people like me on the internet. If somebody can talk shit to me, do you and I don't care. And there are people out there that will change their behaviors because of what other people are saying about them. You can't do that. That's how you lead people to the slaughter. It's groupthink, and you're a fucking loser if you think like that. Loser. You think that some people on the internet have no. You have to have confidence in exactly the information that's out there and relay it no matter what happens. All right, we're done now. Everybody, if you like that rant, which again, it's just fat. It's just like you can't get around the facts. Oh, man. Okay. How's everybody doing today? We're 8 likes away from 50. I appreciate that. Oh, Apple just got cracked there. Yeah, Apple just got cracked. And I hope hold on. Hold on. I hope that clip of me gets spread everywhere. I hope it gets fucking everybody needs to hear it. Hey, Stockboy, quit telling me how not to lose money. I try. Hold on. Give you like one. All right, team. So again, I am again, if like people again, there are people out there that are just part of that groupthink bullshit that are just gonna lose you money. They don't know what they're talking. Holy fuck, Omar! Thank you so much for the soup. Thank you so much for the super, buddy, dude. Omar, again, man, I really appreciate your supers, dude. You really don't have to do that. I just appreciate you being a part of our community, man, and just sharing your story. You're a fucking cool dude. It's good to have you back, man. Thank you. Your dad got burned on Ape. Actually, how I found you guys. Yeah, a lot of people did, man. I literally told that I was trying to scream it from the rooftops, dude, that this thing was not good. And then there's people who don't know what the fuck they're talking about, like that are just like leading people to the slaughter. It's okay. I mean, people can think what they want, but at the same time, it's like, you're gonna come tell me that I don't know what I'm talking about after that? All right. Spies mess around the daily level 393.16. Yeah, but yeah, Omar, man, thank you so much, dude. I appreciate that. Let's see. Tesla news. I mean, it flashed up for a second there. Apple no longer plans to make initial car fully self-driving. That's the news. Apple aims to sell. They're actually making a fucking car. Holy shit! Apple aims to sell consumer model by 2026 for under 100 grand. Bro, Apple's making a car. The meme leaders short their following moment momentum is done. They're not naive traders. I mean, they're not going to tell you about that, but they probably do. Did I check the DM? I have not done that. Let me look. Oh, squirrel. At a boy. There you go, dude. Dude, Omar, thanks for the super, buddy. You're looking skinny. Go get some chicken tenders. Omar, thank you, buddy. You don't have to send in those supers if you don't want to, buddy, but thank you. Omar, actually, fun fact. I have a all-you-can-eat taco eating competition later today with my buddy. And my whole entire goal is attempt to embarrass him. I can eat a lot. And I'm gonna try to do it, but Omar, thank you, dude. How's filming been, dude? That was a 10 out of 10 on the rant scale. Yeah, somebody clip it and send it to me somewhere. I'd love to see that. I'd love to have that one. You're up 17.39% on the day, locked in profits. 1348 helped reset my trading mentality back to the way it was before I got greedy during 2021. That's fucking awesome, dude. I love that. I wonder if it will have Apple CarPlay. Probably will. Post that competition on your Instagram. I might post some pictures on it. But that was fun. Green equals good take profits. Yup. Or sharing the shoot the shit channel. Yeah, I might have to do that, man. Yeah, Omar, dude, thank you so much for the supers, buddy. You didn't have to do that. Yeah, we will be eating all. And the bet was, so I have full confidence in my taco eating ability. So I said we'll bet $100, and then I was like, that's probably not the right thing to do. So we're just gonna bet the $20 that it costs to eat the all you can eat tacos. I was like, why are we gambling over tacos? So that'll be fun. I'll be doing that a little bit later. My plan is to eat all fish tacos, I think is what we're gonna do. Oh shit, Omar. I don't know if I can open this on the stream, buddy. Omar, I fucking love you, buddy. Bro, you are the best. Dude, oh man, I wish I had Omar's job sometimes. If you copy my trading view chart, is the copy only good if I'm subscribed to the platform of Discord, or the copy will be forever? I've noticed you have to record it every once in a while as a trading view glitch. Probably a trading view glitch. You have to copy and save it, and then you should be good to go. Go on. Nah, if Omar wants to tell you guys what he does, Omar can tell you what he does. Omar's a really cool dude. Fucking dude, that's a great job. Until Apple decides it doesn't like a city or your car doesn't work in the city limits, like Fortnite. Yeah. Oh, let's see. Dude, Omar's out here living his best life, bro. Omar's just killing it. I love it, dude. Have I blown up an account before? Yep. Yeah, I went from when I first started trading, I went from 2 to 12K and then blew it up. Happens. Is this a spy reversal? Not yet. This is looking at a rim, dude. Fucking Omar. It's good to have Omar back, man. Because every once in a while, I'm like, fuck, I would love to do some of this type of stuff. We're waiting, Omar. Nah, if he wants to tell you, he can tell you. If not, he won't. You have a question with the platform emoji. You have spy cross updates like we do in the Discord. Will just be grouped in the daily cross. No, it has. Oh, like just spy. We could have something like that for you. We can have a filtering system in there for you guys. Tabasco Dave, that's not what it is. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. We're gonna have some fun. Hopefully, yeah. If anybody knows how to clip the rant at the beginning, definitely clip it. If you share it on social media, let me know. I'll give you a like or a retweet. Welcome back. Think we'll see some kind of reversal today? Honestly, I think it's very possible that we do. Towards the end of the day, though, I don't know about right now. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Let me see how Invictus is doing over here. Yeah, that one made sense. Dude, Omar, holy fuck, bro. You don't, this is crazy. I blew up 3 accounts before learning the strategy and trading smart. Each one had up to 40K at one point. Damn, bro. Omar, thank you so much for all these supers, man. I really appreciate it. See, this is Omar. Okay, here's the thing. I don't think I've ever seen Omar send a non-super message. Maybe once. You can, Omar, you can just send messages too, buddy. You don't have to send in $50 supers. There was a rant. I missed it. Yeah, it was pretty aggressive. It was an aggressive rant. Wow, dude, 40K blowing up accounts. Jeez, man. Yeah, I was young. I was a bit younger, which I'm young now, but I was younger than I am today. How about that? Way younger. This was like when I first started trading a few years ago. That I went from 2K, ran it up. I think I peaked it at like 13 grand. And then just down. The rant was worth the rewind. Yeah, he doesn't want his dirty fingers within every keyboard. Omar, thanks for super. I like the colors, livens up the chat. Fair enough, man. I know you're doing good too, but you get take that girl out on a nice date or something. Or if that's not your thing and you just like don't take people on dates, I feel that, bro. That's cool and all. Like that's perfectly fine too. That rant was the truth. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like the whole entire thing with like all that stuff is bullshit. I don't want to spend too much time on it, but oof. Tesla mooning. It's getting up there. I mean, that's not mooning, but it's getting there. How do you lose it? Did you just make mistakes or was it being greedy? It's a little bit of both. Again, you have to here's the thing that people don't necessarily realize with trading. You have to learn how to manage money. It's a weird thing that like you may not be able to have. Like, let's say you're trading with $1,000 account and you're doing well. Then randomly, let's just say then you have $100,000 in your account. That might scare the literal shit out of you when you see a trade go down 5-10%. You're down 1,000 or like 500 to $1,000 instantly. You're like, oh my god, this is crazy. So you have to learn how to manage money appropriately. I just didn't at that point. Again, there's a learning curve to everything. And it was more of like randomness. Like that was more of what it was when I first started trading. It was a lot of randomness where I thought something was going to happen. And then it's like what happens with like Ape and all that stuff. It's like you think something might happen and you're like, oh, blah, blah, blah. And then no, sometimes you get lucky. Like I hit some nasty earnings run-ups, nasty ones. Like I had a 2,500% Lulu trade, which was ridiculous. Omar, thanks for the super. Dates are great, but now I factor in my risk reward and ROI before I take any girl out. Smart man. If it's going bad 20 minutes in, and cut your losses and enter a new date. Fucking dude. Omar, we need to link up at some point. Fucking love Omar, dude. Thank you for the supers, my man. You put a large deposit in your report a month ago. I think it actually hurt you. It can do one of two things. You either go willy-nilly with it or you're overly cautious. The overly cautiousness is, I think, good because you slow it down and you get used to having that type of money in your account. But yeah, you got to get used to it. It's like it's a feel thing. It's like you have to get used to like seeing the numbers on your screen. Like you're used to seeing a trade, you make 100 or 1,000 or 10,000 and you're done. But let's say that number 10x's, so do the losses. Lisa, thank you so much for the super. One more rant. Those 2013 AMC shareholders, AA said, who voted on the Ape way back when. Guess who they are? NCMI. I can prove it. But anyway, we're in a better place now. So thank you, Lisa. I appreciate that. Thank you so much for the super. You guys are going fucking crazy with the Jesus Christ, Omar. Oh my God, you do not have to do that. Oh, fucking Jesus. Going back to work. See you all a lot more in the next few weeks. Omar, dude, it's really good to have you back, buddy. I think a lot of people, if you're comfortable with it, will definitely, they would love to hear the success that you've had trading. We do, I don't know if you've seen it yet, but when Gabe and I do go live now together, we do have a number that you can call in. So if you have a moment, and we are live midday. We're probably going to start those up again next week, probably. We'd love to hear from you, man. You are one of the great successes of 1348, and we love having you there, man. Omar's flexing right now. What, you guys are not OGs, man. Omar just comes in here sometimes and then just goes boom. But Omar, man, I really appreciate it, man. Thank you. Hopefully you like the platform too, man. Let's see. You size way down using like 2.5% of the port until you get comfortable. Rogue Civilian, I think that's a good idea, man. It's a very good idea. But Omar, tell all of those very beautiful women that if they ever come to Boston, they have a nice young 23-year-old that would love to show them around. So you only been here 3 months? Oh yeah, yeah. Omar's an OG. Let's see. All right, where's this gonna go today? Where are we gonna go with the market? Come on, team. Lisa, I could look at that, but at the same time, it's kind of like what's past is past. It can't really do much about it now. Who's the nice young 23-year-old? I mean, I would myself. I'm talking about myself. I'll take him to see Omar. You'll see. Oh fuck. Yeah. So very soon you get to see the amount of fun I've been having on the Instagram. I'll take them along with me. We can go have some fun. Just jokes. No, I know. By the way, I'm up 145%. Damn, Lisa. Fucking killer. You guys are doing great, man. Snap. Wow, what's up with that, Algo? Oh, hello. What's up, SUV? Not much, Chameleon. You guys missed a little bit of a crazy rant earlier. Hope somebody got to clip it. I don't know how to clip it. If you like, there's just some things I don't know how to do. You guys knew for a while that I didn't know how to use a microwave. Now I do, obviously. So I've used it before. Looks to be rising up slowly to a cross. Yeah, it does. About what? Oh, just the usual XLE put from this morning. Lisa, that's awesome. Dude, my Microsoft puts would have been up like fucking 300%. I sold them at 33. Do I care? Nah, still up about 1.62% on the day. Haha, take it. Thank you. Base hits, baby. That's what it's all about. None of this like home run shit. I mean, you can hit them sometimes. That Microsoft trade would have been a home run if I just used the damn stop loss strategy. But I did. I mean, I was like, you just got on. I mean, you can scroll back, but you know how to rant. I know. I don't let it out very often, but sometimes it's got to be said when people decide to act like a fucking moron and then daddy needs to come over here and put them in their fucking place. I'm not going to pander to you guys. If you say some dumb shit in here, I'm going to let you know. Like, that's the thing. I'm not going to be like, oh, well, maybe. Be neutral Nancy over here. No. I'm going to tell you the cold, hard truth. And you know what that's going to do? It's going to help you make some fucking money. All right. Never go broke taking profits. 100%, Astro. Let's see. All right. Is there anything useful on Twitter today? Except for, I mean, we saw the Apple news over there, but they're not really moving on it. Let's see. Yeah, no, I don't see much. Don't see much. Wish I would have held longer on your AMD puts this morning. Ooh, that's like a knife to the heart there, buddy. Fine puts on my bit. I'm just kidding. I don't go fuck. Make your money. Unless you're one of those Canadians with offer all brokerage fees, then you do. Yeah, the brokerage fees are bad. When you get asked for 150K randomly, that's also weird, SV, what's up, buddy? Absolutely killed it on Enphase puts I took out when it hit all-time high. Dude, I've crushed some Enphase recently. Not recently, like over the last probably 6 months. I still have a fucking trend line up here. That's funny. That can get deleted. But yeah. Daily, how's this look? Oh, from three. Wow, there you go, bud. It down 8.5% today. I mean, the solar stocks are doing all right there. It's just the spreads are kind of shitty. I went back and watched the rant. You're not wrong. Nice worded. Sold as soon as I got them. Bought a small percentage of it later on, just in case, but didn't lose like some people did. Thanks, Robert. I appreciate that, man. SV want to buy my Andrew Tate NFT? No, because one, it's probably not him making it, so it's worthless. And either way, I think NFTs are bullshit. So probably not, pal. But hopefully you find a willing buyer that's willing to pay you top dollar. Hopefully they're trying to launder some money and then you can just cash the fuck out and then you're chilling, you know? All I want for Christmas is platform. You're going to get it earlier than that. Guild last week's Gilead. How's this thing doing? Oh, just moon mission. This kind of looks like the banks, but this is a little bit more aggressive here. It's actually him making it. Is it like, I don't know how it works, but is it like your spot for the real world or the war room or something? I mean, that just seems a bit silly. Why would you want to sell me that? I feel like that is more beneficial to you. Up 4% on the portfolio. Thanks, SV in 1348. You're welcome, buddy. You did it, though. Do you want to buy SV's NFT exclusive 150K? All I want for Christmas is about 150, you know, for the bus. Nah, you're not getting that because it's top G. Yeah, I mean, still not buying his NFT, bro. The thing is that again, I'm very, very like, you can't really convince me of like doing things I don't want to do or like saying things that like I don't want to say. I don't like NFTs. It could be fucking Jesus Christ himself. I don't still won't want the damn NFT. I think they're bullshit. Trade him for an ankle NFT. All right, maybe, but I'd have to make that. I just like that's just one of my boomer takes. Like metaverse dumb, NFTs are silly. Those are the two. It's like a derivative of a shit coin. It's like is there any opportunity to make money over the rail worker strike? Never done probably. I don't know if I'd mess around with it though. That's more like news driven. You can see things go a little bit wild. We got Invictus. We do have Invictus. What do we got here? I don't want to flip Tesla again. This looks a little bit fucked up, but we'll see. Tesla Invictus, will it get the cross in time? Not if SPY just knifes itself here. I mean, it's getting there. I flipped this one. This was the Tesla Invictus that I played today. Scooped a few here, scooped a few here, was risking the 13 EMA, bounced up, I sold. Thank you. That was a nice little 8% quick gain there. Easy. I've never understood NFTs seem stupid. Like, I just don't like them. Like, I just don't like the concept of them. And some people can have like weird arguments for it that are like, no, dude, it's the future. It's like, not really. It's not really the future, though, is it? And the metaverse is silly. I think the metaverse is one of the dumbest things, but that's okay. If you're bullish on the metaverse, I hope it works out for you. And I also think that like AI and like artificial intelligence stuff will probably artificial intelligence companies will probably have a better risk reward over the long term because they can probably be used in all the metaverse nonsense. So they can benefit if the metaverse does well, and the AI stuff can have a lot of other practical applications as well over the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. So you're almost hitting two birds with one stone with going into AI, like stuff like that. See, now you guys are getting a couple of hints about what I'm looking for when I start to go buy long term again. Ho, 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 ho. You're in the real world that's decent? I bet it is, man. Think Bob will sell off? We'll see. Like, I like those types of companies that could be big disruptors over the next like 10, 15 years. That's what I like. The metaverse ones are a little bit too niched down. It's like you're zero or heroing it on those. Like, at least with like other AI companies, you can have exposure into like other industries. It's like an Amazon type of deal. It's like, well, they're in streaming, they're in retail, they're in everything. Music, like they got everything there. You want the metaverse to be a flop, so Zuckerberg goes flop. I hate that guy. He's so bad for the world. Yeah. SV, your boy's port is up 62% in the last 2 days. I'm done. Nap before work. Fuck yeah. Do I watch the World Cup? Nah, that's another one of my hot takes. I think soccer is really, really, really hard to watch, just for me. AR is the future, not VR. That's fine. I'm thinking of more in terms of like AI, like just like artificial intelligence, shit like that. Orly? I'm not really sure what this is. Let's see. Automotive. It's $822 for a fucking sock. What the fuck is this? O'Reilly Automotive. Oh, O'Reilly Auto Parts. I don't know about this one, man. The spreads are on the chain. It's probably gonna look terrible. It looks like it's rolling over here. The 4 hours probably getting towards that 200. Yeah. This is a little bit no man's land here. I mean, if you're gonna take it to the downside, you're basically playing it to the 200. Soccer needs to be shrunk, put on ice. Only a few people. Yeah, you're basically saying hockey. I see what you're saying there, but I don't know. It's just not for me. If I'm gonna watch anything like a sport, it's gonna be football or UFC. That's what it's gonna be. Let's see. Like OpenAI could be a good one. There's a lot of other ones that that I gotta look into too. There's a couple of things though, because a lot of those companies are new. There's a little bit. This is kind of something that I've thought of too. I want to see which VCs are backing them, like venture capitalists, and then see how much money they're actually putting in it. Because if they start doing shit like what's his name, Masayoshi's son, I think that's how you pronounce his name. The guy with what's it called? He was in Baba. He was in a lot of them. What's it called? It's the Vision Fund. But what's the company called? He has like the Vision Fund. He's got the other big one, SoftBank. That's what it is. SoftBank. If they start doing stuff like that, where they just like aggressively try and kill for growth, that's not great for long-term value of companies. You can float valuations super high, and then you get slapped in downturns. I was with y'all for 3 months at the 96 rate, but could not pay the 96 on the first. What would I need to pay moving forward? Dimmelson. Well, if you're not in the community right now, when we release platform to the public, it's going to be 69 a month. And then we have the quarterly, the yearly, and then lifetime. Viacom. They were in Viacom too. Not a fan of soccer, American football. I want to see a new worldwide sport. Mixed with rugby and MMA. I mean, MMA is sort of worldwide anyway. It's just it's concentrated here with the UFC. Like there are other organizations like there's a couple of them. If you're betting on AI, then you're betting on Tesla and Elon. Elon will make it happen first. Right, but it's not. I'd rather take an actual company though that's doing it. You could wait a few weeks and I'll give you my affiliate code. Well, we'll get the affiliate codes out to you guys soon. Andy? Just kidding. I had a meeting with some folks at Viacom. Oh, it's pretty cool. They were big in WeWork too, I think. Yeah, but they've also returned like some okay, so here's the deal with VCs. Venture capitalists, a lot of private markets. They're not looking for this is the thing that they're literally hunting for moon tickets, if that makes sense. Oh, no. That's Bill Huang. That's Bill Huang, Daniel. That's a little bit different. The VCs, they're hunting for moon tickets. The next 100x is what they're looking for. Because if they can get an investment that goes 100x, they can have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 other companies go to literally zero and they still make money. So that's what they're looking for. And that's what you can get in those types of private markets. If you set yourself up in the right way, you get in on the right rounds, the right allocations, and you put the right people on the boards. But it takes years. Will SPY hit 390? Today, I think that's a bit aggressive. Could it? Yep. Again, Rodion, it doesn't really matter what I think. And even if I said yes, and you took that as, oh, I should buy like 391 puts for today, I think that's a terrible way to trade. Just go off what the chart tells you. Nothing on the SPY chart right now would really tell me that this is a good time to be buying puts. It's just like it's sold off a lot already. So could it? Yeah. I'm not really looking for that move down though. I'm actually hunting for a potential reversal up, but I don't even think I'm going to trade that today. But oh shit, we are 23 likes away from 100 team. Damn. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. And where's Desi? Flickering. Alrighty, folks. All right, team. Keeping that like button on the way in. We got 10 more to 100. I appreciate it. Apple's hunting new lows over here. I mean, everything's kind of fizzling. Tesla's fizzling back down here too. Nothing really crazy going on today, man. Auto parts. Wow. Nah, Tessie not doing it. SPY looking to break down here too. Everything's starting to slip again. Apple new lows. Watch 142.70. These things are starting to slip. If Tessie can hold VWAP, that may not be the worst thing in the world for a potential bounce, but we'll see. This market is not having fun today. Not having any fun. All right. Tomorrow we'll be back to 399. It could be. TLT. Oh, is this a bond move? Hold on. Yeah, TLT starting to head higher here. So let's look at this. Oh, they are selling the fuck out of the bond. Oh, wait, no, they're buying them. No, they're going risk off. Oh, yeah. Dude, Tina's fucking back, bro. Well, not really. Tina's dead, but like the concept, there is no alternative, is coming back. Remember what we said? I thought it was going to be at 450 that they really started buying these, but it was 435. And they just started buying the fuck out of these 10 years, pushing the yields down 1%. That's pretty big. Like, that's not small. TLT's at 106. When the fuck did this happen, bro? We were looking at this thing at the low 90s when my TLT video was out. I mean, all right. I'm pretty sure. What was the date that I made my TLT video? Hold on. One month ago. What was the date on this? November 3rd. Damn it. So it was like here. This is when I made the TLT video right here. Right here. Went down a little bit and then whoop. I still don't want it. We still haven't gotten the flashing green signal on TLT yet, though. VIX moving markets. That's the day you bought TLT. Didn't I say in the video not to get it yet? Like it's not time. I mean, it was sold off very aggressively, but hey, you know what? Fine. You made some money. There you go. I wanted to buy it in the 80s. Like I wanted it to drop below 90 and I was going to buy a fuckload of it. Shares in the long term because TLT was not going to stay that low. Yeah, dude, you made some money. There you go. What you get, shares or leaps? Because that was a pretty filthy one right there from 90 to 106. That's big, dude. It's like a 15% move. Shit. All right. SPY knifed a little there. Where's Desi? Desi. What do we got? Oh, back to life over here. Leaps. What are those up right now? Thanks, SV. You're welcome. I mean, I haven't done it yet because it's not time, but that's fucking great. What are they up right now? Those have got to be up like 30, 40%, buddy. Leaps on like TLT moving like that. Tessie. This looks very similar to how like the setup that I was trading on it before, like this flat line and then bink. You got TLT 3 weeks ago. I expected a nice swing up. Let it go today and grab more when it swings back down. Fucking all you guys got TLT? What the? See, this is guys. This is a really. I'm not trying to yell at anybody here. This is remember what I was saying before about how when you have an audience, no matter how many times you say, like, I'm waiting for this thing to happen and then I'll get it. Like, remember how we were talking about ape? You have to be so careful of the things that you say to people. Guys, in that video, I said, don't like, I said, I'm not touching it until I get the green light from Powell. I think this is a really good illustration of like we were watching it play out in real time. No one right. And again, real people's money is at stake. I thought it was going to drop into the 80s, and that's when I was going to start scooping up shares. It never did. I never got it. Whatever. I still am waiting for the big TLT move to come. But that's still really good. You hit it nicely. But at the same time, it's like, and again, I'm not trying to take away from anybody's gains there. Those are really good. But I think this is more so towards like the social media side of it and like YouTube and everything, where you have to be careful what you say. Because no matter what you say, people are still gonna like do stuff based on what you say. So, and that's why I get so pissed off in that rant earlier in this live stream that like people just don't get that. On my watch list, is up 66% on the TLT you spoke about. Yeah. I mean, TLT can move. You've been waiting for TLT for months now and want to leave, so I'm waiting for it again to take advantage of the swings. It hasn't flashed the green light at me yet. There's gonna be. I want the big TLT move. Like that's a good one. That's a really good one right there on TLT with the bond swing. It's really good. But I think that's. I mean, it's just proven the points that I've said before in the rant earlier fully correct. You have to be very careful. There's real people and real money at risk here. No matter what I say, I know you guys are going to do whatever you want at the end of the day. Did TLT look good at those low levels? Yeah, it did. It looked like it was getting killed for no reason. So you caught a nice move. But yeah, I think that's something that everybody needs to keep in mind, especially as content creators. It's like, which again, I mean, some of you might be, some of you may not be, but that's stuff that I think about. It's like, okay, what am I saying in this video right now that could possibly influence somebody? And I try to never do it. I just try to lay it out from both sides and be like, this is what I'm looking for. This is the facts. Here you go. Make a decision. Sometimes the facts are going to lead you into one way. But I mean, congratulations to all you guys that hit it. You made money. Like, that's good. But I still think that there's a bigger move coming with TLT. Thoughts on Rumble? I like Rumble, man. I do. Long term, I think they're not the worst thing to have money in. Oh, they're at 8? Ooh. Oh, fuck. Hold on. I gotta look at this later. Oh, Jesus. Omar, if you're in here, I love you, buddy. Let's see. So I like Rumble. Like the thing is we remember I made that Rumble video. Was it this move? Yeah, I think it was this move that because it was at 10 when I made it. I made it over the weekend, and then it proceeded to just rip. So it was like a 70% move when I called it. And it was simple. It was the daily looked really good, and it was the tape ban when he was going over to Rumble. I mean, it was a good trade there. I made some money on it. It was great. It's not a terrible buy now. I mean, this thing could continue to chop its way down, which is fine. It can do what it's gonna do. Ooh, you're trying to get a little engulfing candle there. Hello. Yeah, I mean, I would say dollar cost averaging into it isn't the worst thing in the world, but granted, I have not taken a look at their financials. So just on the business model, I don't think it's terrible. I've not taken a look at their financials at all. So putting that out there, again, going off of what we've just said, I haven't looked at their data yet. So, and in any long-term purchase that I'm going to make in the future, I'm going to go through all their balance sheets and make sure that they're not fucking morons, which I don't think they are, but you never know in this marketplace. I don't trust anybody. You bought Leaps yesterday? Oh, you're killing it then. Hey, you're doing good. All right. Spy fucking around a little bit. Apple still getting booty clapped. Where's Tessie? Tessie didn't do it. Tessie right back down. Flicker in. Let's see. Puts life saving into Rumble. Huh, we got some more over here. Cool. All right, let's see here. Oh, we're 1 like away from 100. Who's going to be number 100? All right, this market's not looking too good. This is almost at like death candle territory where it could just go dead. Let's see. Did anybody ever get around to clipping that the rant from the beginning of the stream? Does anybody have that? So I don't know how to do it. I don't know. So if anybody knows how to do that and you can clip it, I would love to have that clipped. Let's see here. How's Baba Green? Baba's got a mind of its own. Baba's got a mind of its own, man. How's this thing doing? Cool. When was the rant? Very beginning of the stream. I do love a good rant. Oh, you'll love this one then, Boring Trader. You will love this one, buddy. It was probably within the first 5 minutes. I hope that gets spread everywhere and then everybody comes back and tries to talk shit. And it's like, hey, moron, who was right? Come to daddy. So you said I should dump everything into ape. Sounds like something you'd say. No, the exact. I mean, do whatever you want to do, buddy. It's not up to me. You guys know what happened with it. You got 394, 392.24 as a level for SPY. But past that, what do you think we could come down to? Probably 390, right around there. AA Invictus? Which way? Down? That's not. That's a nice break of this little channel here. I mean, it sold off hard, then bounced. Let's see what happens on the next few candles. Good afternoon, SV and the team. Kelly France. Good afternoon, my man. Tesla. I made some nice money on Tesla today. It's fun. Also, we remember on the live stream the big ball play that we were talking about, this bounce. This one I wanted, but I was like, yeah, SPY's not looking too good here, which I was right on that one. But Tessie ended up having that nice move back out. That would have been sweet. So load up on Dogecoin already. Guys, do what you want. At the end of the day, all I'm here to do is give you guys information that you may not have been able to find otherwise and breaking it down in a way that you may not have been able to understand otherwise. That's my job. And teach you guys how to make money in the market. That too. Once AMC makes a 12-cent move to the upside, they'll come in here hating. Yeah, I'll literally just put the hammer down on them and just rant on them too. Yeah, I think I was flipping the 180s today. Today on Tesla. Yeah. Those were fun. 20% of the portfolio with Ulta and SPY. Ulta's a nice one. I used to trade Ulta a lot for earnings. Dude, Ulta's made me some money in the past. Diamondback in. You can't trigger another rant. We've already done it. We've already gotten the rant going, buddy. We can't do it now. But 20% on the port, man. That's beautiful. Those are beautiful gains there. Let's see. Hold on. Omar, I'm going to look at this. But you missed the rant. You can scroll back and do it. It's there. It's still there. Don't you worry. This live stream is going to remain public, and I'm going to emotionally damage everybody that tried to call me dumb at the beginning and said that I was getting paid by Ken Griffin. Morons. 11% on UNG. Nice. Nice. That's sweet. Yeah, we were looking at UNG today. Oh, fuck. I wanted this. Hold on. Nah, I don't like that yet. Spy Puts had your baby account up 114% this morning. L Gene. Fucking monster there, buddy. There you go. Yeah, you guys are killing it. All right, Apple at a level here. This is from... Where the fuck is this from? Okay, well, apparently it's not going to tell me where this one's from. Nice. Now you're going to say it's pre-market. Thanks, market. What was the rant? Oh, no, I ranted. I was ranting all over the place because people are getting led to the slaughter by fucking morons on the internet. Morons. They're stupid. They have pea brains. They're actually idiots. Sorry. It's triggering me again how dumb people are. I get triggered over stupidity. Like, it just hurts. Logic is just such a lost art. The lost art of logic, bro. That should be my book title. If I ever write a book, it's going to be called The Lost Art of Logic. All right, let's see here. Team, shout out to all you guys for all the likes on the stream today. Omar, if you're still in here, thank you so much for all those supers, buddy. And Lisa, thanks for hopping in there on the supers as well. I know you guys don't have to do that. And you guys know you don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I appreciate it. Thank you. Let's see. Let's see. Where's the garbage doc today? Ape, where is it? Ouch. Ouch. Your TLT calls already up 0.5%. Why? Stop. Stop with TL. I'll tell you when TLT happens, guys. I'll tell you when. It's going to be very obvious when Powell comes out and says what he will. How do you short Ape? I wouldn't do it now. Like, you can if you want to. That's a big ball play. Can it always go up? Yeah. The time was when all those people were saying that it was going to go to 80 and it was sitting at like 2 or 3. People always look for hopium no matter where they get it from. Dig deep into YouTube videos, find that one guy that agrees with them and ignore the hundreds of others saying the opposite. Yeah, I'm bored. Houston Patriot. There you go. Yeah, fair enough, man. Tesla at VWAP heading south. I think SPY is too. Yeah, Tesla is as well. I mean, if you were risking VWAP there, you're going to be okay. Let's see. It could always pop up. I don't really like Tesla on this move here. If the SPY really wants to reverse out of nowhere, then you could see it pull up, but this one's probably going to be dead. You have a feeling Powell is going to rip another 75 burger, maybe even 80. He's not going to eat. It's 75 or 50 is what we're looking at for next week. I think he's going to do 50. That's what I think. If he comes out with 75, all of those people that were screaming for pivot and all that market nonsense are going to get like literally just pooped on by Powell. Let's see. Chris, smart plan, buddy. But there's a big difference between should and it's actually like it actually can be worth anything. It can be worth 0. It can be worth a lot. Like, in my opinion, it's effectively worthless. Let's see. There goes SPY with a little move. Tessie trying. Let's see. How's Rita today? I don't know. I'd have to take a look at it. I haven't seen any updates from it yet. Or I saw a few earlier. I think it was doing all right. It was we're gonna have to make some tweaks, but it's doing good. We gotta tweak some stuff. It's gonna be in testing for a long time, so you'll probably not hear that much about Rita anymore. So we should YOLO TLT calls and then we're entered into the free car giveaway? No, if you YOLO anything, you're not entered into any giveaway. That's a rule. I like the reference to you not doing a car giveaway in the website description. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. That's real? No, 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 no. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Did I miss that? Where is this? There's no way it's on there. Is he really on there? Where, buddy? It's in the disclaimer? Oh, I just saw it. That's awesome. Dude, that's fucking great. I just saw this. Dude, that's amazing. Hold on, I'm gonna text him right now. I didn't see that. That's great. Bro, I never saw that. Oh my god. Nor will STV ever do a car giveaway. All right. I mean, now I actually can't do it. So that's awesome, man. You read the whole site. Apparently, I thought I was pretty thorough about what I did. I just didn't read that. That's funny. You'll be coming back to 1348 soon. Business is slowing down for the season. Gonna have plenty of time to focus on trades. Really haven't been doing much. Diamond back in. We'd love to have you back, buddy. You'll get access to the all new, brand new, shiny, awesome platform. Yeah. So all you guys that aren't in there with us, you guys should get access to platform over the next few weeks. You're not allowed to come in now. Sorry. We're getting all of our existing members in, but I'll let you guys know when some spots open up. Let's take a dab. No. The GOAT, Indy is the GOAT, bro. Yeah. Yeah, Chris, I don't think people would do that though because they don't because what people think happens, Chris, is that let's say AMC is at 10 and Ape's at 2. Let's just say that arbitrarily those are the numbers and then they merge it. Ape goes up, right? Yeah, but AMC tanks. So it meets somewhere in the middle and then you just get diluted and then you figure out what happens after. So it's not like it just jumps up because then you'd just be like doubling the market cap, which it will never do. Like you're not just going to like, oh, oops, fancy accounting, doubled the market cap. No, that's not allowed. Looking at the homepage of the platform, are us 69ers still waiting for word to sign up into the platform? Yes, guys. I feel like JJ, you guys know the deal by now. We're doing the phasing in of everybody. Is AMC going to go up? How do they keep killing it down? Because people are selling it and they're shorting it too because Ape is garbage and it didn't work. Go back and watch the beginning rant of the stream. Like go to the very first 5 minutes of the stream and you'll hear my rant on everybody that's still leading everybody to the slaughter, and it's just sad, dude. Let's see. RS, you're gonna have to make that decision on your own. I tried to help everybody the day it came out and the days following understand exactly what it was and where it was most likely going. See, RS, would fall into the category of one of those people that I do feel very bad for. Because you fell into the hopium. I doubt that you were one of those people that were like, "Fuck you, STV, you're a shill." I doubt it. But at the same time, you have to make a decision at this point on what you think it's actually going to do. Do I think it's going to come back up to 10? No, because even if it gets anywhere near close to those higher numbers, they're going to dilute the literal piss out of it because that's what it's built for. So I don't know. Again, it was when it first came out, I was like, this is a pretty good idea if they're able to do this. It came out being the worst thing of all time. And I told you guys about it. So again, that really doesn't help now at your current situation, but you just got to make a decision at this point. Let's see. How dare you keep it real and transparent? Yeah, people don't like it, man. They would rather see. Oh my God, guys, do you want to hear the most wild, fucked up, logical thing? I'm pretty good at this because one of them was, oh, if I got paid by a hedge fund to tell you that it was going down and then it went down 90%, you better be thanking that hedge fund that supposedly paid me, which they didn't because that's dumb. Second thing is this. Do you remember the period of time where everybody was yelling about YouTubers making money? So I know everybody remembers this, the super chat stuff and all that nonsense about people screaming at YouTubers about making money. Cool, fine. So then I come out and I say that it's bad, and then I'm no longer going to be making whatever the number was a month, 10 to 14,000 from making those videos, live streaming, doing all that stuff, because I don't think that's morally right to tell you guys that something's going to go up that I know deep down is going to go down. Then everybody gets pissed at me and is like, why won't you say the things that I want to hear? Which then would be me making money on the internet on YouTube, which would then go against what they were saying before. It doesn't make any sense. You can't win with some of these people. They don't have they don't have logical reasoning skills because they're so caught up and have their head so far up their own you know what. Hedge funds and institutions are the same. No, so I mean, not all institutions are hedge funds. You're a fast talker. You talk a good one, and then even faster when you backpedal. Foxy, how about we stop? Okay, no. Let's hold on. Pepe, untime out that one. I want to see this one. When I backpedal, I haven't backpedaled at all. Keep it coming. I will destroy you with logic, and then I'll point you to the videos of proof of when I said it was pretty shitty. 4.28% on the port today. Thank you, SVB, for teaching me to fish. You're welcome. That's what I'm here to do. People want security blankets. Yeah, Pepe, untime her out, and then let's see what she has to say. If it's going to be smart or if it's going to be completely brain dead, which I think I know what it's going to be, but we'll see. You backpedaled on the car giveaways? All right. Let's see. SPY, what's it doing? SPY new low, 392. It won't let me untime out, but she has the floor in 260 seconds. Oh, that's fair. What's the difference between a hedge fund and an institution? Well, technically, JP Morgan's an institution, but not all of what they are hedge funds. It doesn't really matter. I mean, institutional money is like, yeah, all hedge funds can be classified as institutions, but not all institutions are hedge funds. It's like a square and a rectangle, you know? Let's see here. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Yeah, Apple slipping lower. Things are starting to bend to the downside. Oh. Let's see. ETF inverse of the S&P. Here's the thing, Ben. We've talked about these a lot. The inverse ETF, the levered ETFs. I don't like touching them just because if you go back in the live stream yesterday, we went over how it's like the third or fourth derivative and they can get messed up. It's like playing a game of telephone with your money. You just got to be really careful with them. Third time selling SPX puts for profit today, 7% this time. Luigi, monster there, buddy. I think we might see a small reversal after hitting 390. Yeah, I mean, we could end up coming down there. We'll see. It's just getting walked down all day long. Let's see. I don't think I can untime out this person, which stinks because I wanted to have I wanted more confirmation of my theory. I told this to Gabe the other day too. You liked it. If the statement comes back and she says something dumb, I will tell you my theory. It's not even a theory. It's technically just math, but you got stopped out on SPY 392 puts earlier on a wick. Would have printed like crazy. Do you play dailies? That's probably why. No dailies, but guys, even tomorrow expirations are probably going to stop you out a little bit. And here's the thing. If you are going to play contracts with less time to expiration, you got to make sure that your risk is in check. So you got to size down on them. so that you can let them move around a little bit more. My favorite quote is stupid is as stupid does. Yeah. Well, we'll see what happens. The theory is it's not even a theory, it's just math. Like it's like in terms of like percentiles and stuff. All right, Nancy slipping lower. Let's see. Let's see here. What are we gonna get? All right, team. SPY's just dying. It's just knifing. I love it. SP for a small port is better to play full size 2 to 3 days out or oversized 1 week out, 1 contract either way. I wouldn't ever oversize. But you're taking on more risk playing full size 2 to 3 days out. 380%. Today's move, my account is up from SPY puts 380% since last Friday. Ben Currington, you fucking monster, buddy. Congratulations. The only thing that I could see having a big cascading move now at this point, Tesla breaking this and then selling if the SPY continues, which it's already made the move. Like that's kind of what I'm looking at here. It's already made the move. Your $200 play that you banked $40 on would be worth $4,200 right now. That's where the make it free and stop loss strategy comes in. Hold on. I'm probably gonna change the title of this live stream after I'm done with it, and then just like taunt people like coming in and saying something stupid. I love it. Like I said before, I don't give a fuck. Like you can yell at me all you want on the internet. Make it free no matter what. There you go. Wait. I feel like that's a lyric from a song that I know. I feel like I know that one. SPY will hit 250 before recovery. No. No. Sorry, buddy. SPY's not getting the 250. That one, you literally have to have somebody press the big red nuke button for that to happen. 250, bro. $140 move on the SPY. I'm T-paid. Already done for the day. 3% conservative gains. 88 more 3% gain. Sorry, hold on, I can't read. 88 more 3% days gets me to 10K. Came in to smash the like button and remind the slackers to smash the like button and dip. Cheers. Off to studying. Parsa, congratulations, man. If you're studying, get some food, get some water. If it's final season, just kind of get through it, and just move on to winter break. Don't worry, I can type. There we go. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys hit that like on the way in. Plunge protection team won't let that happen. Yeah, I mean, fair enough. How people knew to keep playing SPY. Such a huge dump this morning. Caught some 5-minute rims, but also got stopped out on the 3-minute rims. Yeah. At the same time, it's like if you're gonna do it, like the same thing with my Microsoft trade that I sold at 33%. That trade would probably be up like 500-600% right now. I don't care though, because I'm still up on the day and just killing it. So let's see. You're on the 340 to 311 train. You're studying for the MCAT? Jesus, bro. Good luck. That's a fucking tough test. That and the LSAT. Ugh. I was studying for the LSAT for a while when I thought that I had to go to law school. And then I YOLO'd it and, joined up with Gabe. So special shout out to Gabe, man. Dude's like my second dad. I'm hella bearish on the market and no way SPY is 200 anytime soon. Yeah, I don't think so. That's crazy. I think you test the COVID zone, which is 338. It's the top of, it's the top before we died in March of 2020. It's like 338 to 342. That's where I think the market actually could bottom if we see a nasty sell-off again. That's my estimate. We've talked about that zone and that level a lot. You think 310 is very possible? I mean, yeah, if you slip 338, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, things are kind of flickering around a little bit over here. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, let's see what we get here. Bum 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. Oh no, it's been a couple of minutes and fucking Karen hasn't come back to say anything stupid. So either way, no, I'm not gonna say it. I forgot about our Karen. Let's see. Man, you guys are bears. They are. Well, no, 338 is the level that I think it like because remember we hit 348 pretty quick too. So I think I'm saying that in the event we start like selling off hard again, that's the zone that I would watch. Take from experience, the more you would have could have on your last trade will cost you on the next 100%. I mean, that's gonna stop backpedaling. Yeah, I mean, it's true. That's why we have the make it free strategy, the stop loss strategy, all there for you guys. So you guys essentially know the deal. You guys are good to go. T-Pain. Why Ben Currington? Why'd you get that damn song stuck in my head now? That's a problem. That's gonna be an issue later when I'm eating all you can eat tacos and trying to just like clobber my friend and how much we're competing with the taco eating. You got stopped out of AA at the 200. That's not bad. I mean, again, if you that's probably a small amount of risk there. Oh, I remember that one. Yeah. That wasn't that much risk there on the table. We about a 12 years of money printing to unwind for the market. It's probably 110. Well, you're technically not going to ever get all of that out of the system because it's like out there invested in the market. So then that like it won't you'll see it become some sort of like new normal, but it'll get adjusted. And I think we've seen a lot of the adjustment. It's just how much more are we going to come down? Whatever our ride puts on the way down. That's what we're going to do here, man. I mean, we have the most powerful tools available to retail investors. They're fucking dirty. Let's see. You think market bounce tomorrow? It might. It might. I mean, you're kind of at that decision level. 390. Tessie trying to move back up here. I don't really see anything that I want to trade right now. Everything's already made the move. I hit the Microsoft, the Tesla. I'm just kind of hanging out now. Doesn't matter if it bounces tomorrow. We play the charts. 100%, buddy. Oh, let's see. Aldo, I just shot you a message, buddy. I am curious. Curious George over here. What in the? How in the? All right. Huh. Okay. Pumping the 200 EMA on the 5. Well, the 200 EMA on the 5-minute time frame is something that a lot of people use. I mean, 1348 is a very, very solid strategy. Again, guys, it's studied as the most profitable EMA crossover strategy. And when you add Invictus, Pythagoras, Trader Joe, and all that other stuff to it, it just becomes even more powerful. But yeah, we've seen a lot of people try to hop on the wave, but nobody does it like us, man. Let's see. Gotcha. Yep. Can the SPY wait till tomorrow to keep falling? I don't know if it's gonna do that. It might just knife to oblivion today. I mean, it's bouncing back up a little bit, but let's see. Let's see. SPY bouncing back to that 13 here. All right, we got an hour and 15 until close. Let's see. SPY had a cross down on the 4-hour too. Ooh, did it? Is it still above the 200 though? Yeah, I don't see the cross down here. So this is real-time data. This is not. This is going to be a little bit more fucked up. But yeah, it does show that on Webull here. Let's see. By the way, SV, thank you for choosing me. Can't wait to get your code. Dude. Fuck yeah, buddy. Benjamin, I tried to warn people. Again, Benjamin, I would heavily consider going back and watching the rant I did at the beginning of this video. I think people ask me this a lot. And it's really because they probably saw what I had to say about it back when I said that Ape was a disaster the day it came out. But go back and watch the rant. That's how I really feel about this whole entire thing. People are really getting hurt here. And it's, I mean, I tried to help, but you took profit at the first blue pill line on SPY. Yeah, I mean, profit's profit though, buddy. What happened with the SPY? Honestly, man, I didn't see all that much news coming out about it. This was just more knifing. It looks like a pre-CPI Powell sell-off. So it's almost trying to price in like nonsense happening next week. You double down on your AMC and GME hedges when you called the drop, and I sure don't regret it. I mean, if I saved one person, that's enough for all the bullshit that we had to deal with around here about literal morons on the internet who don't know what happens in financial markets and what things mean, trying to lead people to literal blown up accounts. So, all right, let me look at this. Where's gas? Let's see. Let's see. TLT calls are up 2.1% now. Nice. Do you think we'll get a push up on the SPY for double top at 5? Bro, these ranges that you're talking about are fucking ridiculous. No. That's gonna no. 500? No. 480? Not for a while. 300? No. Wow, 300 a little bit more realistic, but that's like that is okay. So we talked about this a little bit earlier, how that 338 zone, if we start to sell off, is probably where I think it's going to bottom at. If it slips there, it could definitely go down lower, but I don't think we're going back to 500 for any reason. Nibbler, yeah, he's a fucking idiot. Complete moron. No idea what he's talking about, dude. You and Gabe, along with the 1348 staff, saved my account from oblivion. Dan, I appreciate that, man. Let's see. UPST. What's this thing? Oh, it's getting there. That one's getting there. Yeah, and all you guys that aren't in there with us with 1348 right now, if you didn't know already, you are about to. We have a brand new all-inclusive platform coming out very, very, very soon. We're in the process of transferring all of our existing members over to it on a little bit of a phased rollout. And over the next couple of weeks, we will open up some spots for the general public as well. But we will give you guys a little bit more information on that when the time comes. If you guys aren't in there now in our community, you did miss the deadline for essentially the 50% discount for when we transfer over to platform. But never fear, we do have some cool stuff coming in the future. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. Yeah, we'll have some more info about that coming up in the near future. And make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram too. I'll throw that link in the live chat as well. There you go. I'll follow all you guys back. We have some interesting things coming out on the Instagram too. It's going to be fun, man. We are going to have some fun. I also put a screenshot of how much I'm up today. Percentages, guys. Nibbler, I'd have fucking calls on that thing all day long. How will Power Hour go? Up or down? I don't know. I mean, you definitely could have a reversal. It's possible. Your debit card got hacked. Where do I add the new one to your account? Did you lose access to Discord, Christopher? These puts are hitting. Dude, I know. Dumb Money Media, thanks for the super, buddy. Posted a new vid about Sam Bankman on meme section of the Discord. Do you think Sam's fate will what do you think Sam's fate will be in real life though? Jail or free bird? If he goes to jail, it won't be for like 5 years. He'll be free for a while. But Dumb Money Media, thank you for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Hold on. Let me get some of you Instagram people over here. What's up, man? How you doing? No, still have access? Then you should be good to go. If you still have access to everything, if you've already paid the previous month, then you're good. You'll get the code for when we send it to you to go over to platform. But damn, guys, I really appreciate the supers today. You guys don't have to do that. Bro, this thing fucking wants Tesla. Jesus. Been at work all day, no reception on the ship. Navy? Oh, thank you for your service, man. What was the catalyst? Honestly, it was just a continuation of yesterday. That's kind of what we were seeing. Just a continuation of yesterday's move down. That's what it looked like across the board. I didn't see any like earth-shattering news, which was weird. There might have been one thing that happened this morning with oil, but other than that, nothing crazy. Apple trying to move back up here a little bit. I mean, the 13's right at this level here too, so this thing could easily reject back down. You got 2 minutes. Hold on. Thanks for your support. No problem, buddy. Thanks for supporting me. Here comes Tessie a little. T-Pain. The damn song is still stuck in my head. Oh, 8 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. Let's see. Yeah, but make sure you guys are following me on Instagram too. I've got some fun stuff over there planned. I have like a backlog of videos that I'm just like itching to release. Itching. Maybe tonight I'll send you guys one of them in the Discord, but I feel like I kind of want it to be a surprise. They're kind of cool. You know? I feel like I'll just let it be a surprise. Sam and Gary Gensler looking good in this vid. Okay, here's what everybody needs to understand. Everybody has some form of like there's a price. There's a price for like anything. Here comes Tessie, bro. Here comes the spy. All right, are we gonna get one of these wild nonsense runs? Covered COVID. Fuck, I have that one too. Yeah, I gotta do that for you guys. Fuck, every day. Just keep reminding me every day, and then at one point, I'm just gonna be like, damn it, why am I being so unproductive? Why do I suck at life? And then I'm just going to bang out like 17 million videos for you guys, and then you'll have a bunch of them. There's Desi. Finally fucking got one. Let's see. Where's Apple? Yeah, so Apple's kind of rejecting at this 13 on the 5 in this level here. SPY's teetering around its 13 here. I can never remember when we were public or private. I'm just going to start liking all of them. Reddit? Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Your meme covered calls are printing right now? Nice. God, Omar, bro. Thoughts on Neo and Baba the next couple weeks? Volatility, bro. Be careful holding those overnight. They've been gapping up, gapping down like crazy. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. All right. Hold on. I got to look and see what Omar's done now. Oh, jeez. Omar. Oh, I love this guy. Let's see. Dude, we have a lot of awesome members of our community. Omar's a fucking printing machine, dude. Let's see. Been in the game since 03. Many regrets and lessons learned. But the thing I am telling the young bucks in the office is to get in a house, stop renting ASAP, then make a bag trading. Car, fair enough, man. Bro, my rent payments are stupid high. Hey, SV, since I'm a lifetime member now, can I cancel my Patreon subscription? I don't see it in the FAQ section. Yes, you can. Did you relink it back up, though, through Platform? Did Platform relink you back into Discord? Make sure you do that. Because then if you like delete your Patreon, then it kicks you out. But if you're in a Platform, it'll just like Patreon will remove you, but you're still in with Discord. You were born in 03? I was born in 99. Getting a house was one of the best financial choices I ever made. Yeah, I need like a person to like do my maintenance on the house. Like I need a maintenance person, you know? Don't pay for a house right now. You get a terrible rate. Yeah, I know. Omar, fucking love this guy. Yes, I did see chat and everything. Fuck yeah, Justin, you're good. You can then cancel your Patreon. Yeah. So again, I think there's been some confusion. Only cancel your Patreon if you've already gotten signed up through the new platform. Because if you cancel Patreon now, then you get booted, and then you can't get back in unless you come back. Like it's not gonna. So make sure that you guys are already good to go on platform before you do that. TLT calls up 4%. Dude, you're just like randomly YOLOing right now, I guess. All right, man. A housekeeper? Not so much a housekeeper. Like, I'm pretty sure I could keep the house clean because I literally only use like 2 rooms in it. UPST cross. Is it booming now? Is it getting up to that 200? It's getting there. RSI's hot though. Is it? I feel like it'd be at like 50 or something. Oh yeah, that's cooked. You can do maintenance. I hate to say this, Reddit, but I was more thinking along the lines of like just like a nice lady, just help me out, you know, a girlfriend or something, you know. Do I want a girlfriend? Nah, not even a little bit. But like the maintenance aspect of it would be extremely helpful, you know. If all else fails, though, you can definitely like come out and hang out and like help me out with my house that I don't have and don't plan on buying. Oh, we're having fun today, man. All right, team, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's see what happens towards the end of the day here. Okay, Chris. That's not what I was saying. That was not where I was going with that. Yeah, see, like, I'll just be here hanging out with you guys all day, and then, you know? Sounds like okay, fuck it. All right. Don't cancel me. They already tried. It doesn't work. You just need to find a girl with money and keep separate accounts. Bro, Chris, dude, this is the one thing that I've learned. I love girls that come from money. I love it. They don't it's not because I'm still paying for stuff and taking care of everything. It's just they view things differently. Like, I don't have to worry about somebody being like, "Oh, like, I'm just gonna use him," because they can just go run back to their daddy. You see what I'm saying? It's like they already know the deal. Like, secure the bag on those TLT calls, 5.2%. You're fucking hilarious. See, these are things you learn. Here comes Spy. There's a lot of life lessons. One, if somebody asks you for 150K, you tell them, fuck off. Second thing, you don't trust anybody. Third thing is don't trust, okay, don't trust anyone, and especially like girls in their low 20s. Don't trust them, because if they have boyfriends, that doesn't really mean a whole lot. Just put it out there right now. It doesn't matter. Case in point. Like, this is just nonsense. And if you abide by those rules and you understand that, you'll be pretty good at navigating life if you're a young person. Also, hold on, there was something else. I feel like that's good enough. Like, UPST looking good here. Is this version fit? Fun fact. Okay. Fun fact. All right, hold on. You want to hear a fun fact about Fresh and Fit? So, one time when I was looking at apartment buildings in Miami, the building that I was looking at living in I found this out later, but it's the building that they film their shows in. So, like, the thing, like, all the view and all that stuff, it was that building, and I didn't know this when I was looking there, but my dad sends me a picture, because he went to go look at it first, just because I wasn't in Florida and he was there at the time. So he goes and looks at it and then sends me a picture of a Lambo outside it, and he sends it to me, and I'm like, "Bro, that's fucking Fresh's car." It was like the teal orange Lambo, and I was like, "I know that car." Frank Kaplan, the 304s. Dude, those guys are great. Those dudes are dope. But yeah, I was like this close, and then I just decided to not live there because, one, it was way too expensive, and the building kind of lied about like what the prices were. But yeah, but that's my one story about that. I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. I see. The other thing is that the UPST, nice little move there. The funny thing is the actual like driveway. If I had a nice car, dude, I would never ever take it there. I don't know why. Like, okay, sorry, we're getting a little off topic here, but it's it's literally like 3/4 of a lane, and you're supposed to be able to drive 2 cars through it, and you can't do it. Like, you're gonna ding your car. It's inevitable that you're gonna ding your car. Okay, stop. Stop. And I was looking at this and I was like, how in the flying fuck would you can't turn around. Like, there's no turning around and you can't go through. So you're like fucking zigzagging to get out. It's the weirdest thing ever. I was like, this whole building, and like, you couldn't have like a normal parking, like a normal drive up. I was like, this is stupid. Uh And then I saw a picture one time of like 2 Lambos parked outside of it, and I was like, "How did you fucking airlift it in? Like, how'd you do that?" But that's my all right, story over. Spy closing candle above the 13. Hasn't done this in a while. UPST making a nice move. Is this a run back up or a fake out? It's very possible that this could be a rally up. We'll see though. That UPST move is sweet. There you go. Yeah, see, that's kind of annoying though. All right, let's see what we get. Gained so much knowledge from watching and paying attention. Racing Girl, I appreciate that. Thank you. But yeah, hold on. When I was there, I was like, I don't know how the fuck you would even put a car there. It's like this fucking bit. Like, it's tiny. All right. Spy's moving back up a little bit. UPST's moving. Let's see. All right. Lucid made all-time lows today. Did it really? Oh, shit. I mean, Lucid, you guys have heard my thoughts on that one. Rawlison, I think, is a fucking schemer, but is what it is. The moment I heard the CEO say, oh, we're going to deliver X amount of vehicles, and it was like Tesla numbers, I was like, bullshit. Nope. No, thank you. I think you're a liar. Drew, why would it be there? It's a disaster, bro. Like a complete disaster. What's happening in the market? It's killing you. Why is it killing you, dude? Did you try to buy the breakout? Oh, we were talking about this too. If you throw SPY on the daily, at this point here, when we broke that low on the, I think that was a CPI day, I believe, where you just tanked and then ripped really hard. Like around this time was when like you started to see all those articles that was like record net selling, net shorting, retail selling, everybody liquidated, and then everybody was selling at these lows. Then it bounces back up, and everybody tried to buy the breakout here, and then it just gets fucked on. What's going on here? All right, things are starting to move a little bit. Yeah, Invictus is starting to fire off. What will cause Moon? The coming of Christ, bro. Like it's, or the market just like somehow rallying really hard. Yeah, I saw those, Algo. I saw the Invictus coming through. It started firing off. I don't hate a lot of these. So we'll see. I mean, things are starting to move back to the upside here. UPST, that's a good one. It should be out of this. Hodel, you would like this. So I was sent a few like random messages today or this weekend. I don't think you heard this part of the story, but I was like, why is this person talking to me? And then they said something else, and all I responded was haram. And I was like, no more. I was like, we can't be doing this. I was like, I live so far away. We're not going over this, bro. You guys want to go into a close? Is that what we're doing over here? Should we go into a close? Let's see. Yeah, I knew you would like that one. Fed capitulation and the resumption of QE would moon all things. Yeah. It got a chuckle. It's power hour, so fuck it, bro. Let's do it. I might have to take a bathroom break, but other than that, we should be chilling. You know? Oh, yeah, I got to get all you guys back on Instagram too. When things are okay, I didn't know that. I only knew the other one. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. Finally pull over my semi truck. Got out at 391. Thank you, 1348. There you go. You said that to your mom, bro? She'd probably be like, what? You said what? Life wisdom. Fuck yeah, dude. Nice moves there. Killing it, team. Yeah, I got some messages for you guys I got to look at on Instagram too. I'm not the best about that. but we can try to be better. Just finished hosting your office holiday party, so I'm free to close. Nice. Are they doing construction out here? What could they possibly? They're probably building new buildings or something. Spy slipping a little. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Market's dying. All right, let's see. Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, SPY, QQ pulling back a bit. All same algo trading pattern most of the day. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, it's just rimming down. You don't have to overcomplicate it and be like, it's the algos. It's like, yeah, the algos are everywhere. Yeah, you're just getting walked down all day long. Where's Glenn? I wish Glenn was in here to talk about the algos. Am I renting or bought it? My place? Short ladder attack. No, I'm renting this. My rent payments are stupid. They're so dumb. But it's nice, so it's cool. Gabe was showing me some spots down in Florida, and I was like, I could spend half and get double. I was like, this is crazy. But, you know, it is what it is. Oh, I did. Let's see. You need SPY not to go up at opening tomorrow so you can sell your puts. I'm stuck because PDT sucks. Kiffer's place. Okay. I hate to say this, but you buying things knowing that you can't sell them if you're going to get flagged with PDT is your fault. What possessed you to move to Boston? All my boys live here. So I was like, oh, that'll be really fun. Got your business license approved today. Able to make it all happen thanks to 1348. Pepe, let's go, buddy. Milky, yeah. Dude, my rent in college was more than that. Holy shit, Clinton turned 2K into 22K within the last 3 months. Gotta say thanks, man, because I got my strategy from you and Oscar's Millionaire. Clinton, it's all about making money, dude. Congratulations, man. Divorcing the wife because 1348 is life. I'm not kidding either. All right, you heard it here first. 1348. Wife changing money. Life wisdom, Jesus. Rent's like Florida too. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, it's just the area. It is what it is, though. It's fine. So it's all right, man. I think I paid, I think all in with parking and everything in college at the building that I was in by school. I mean, they tried to steal from you all the time, but not like actually, but like the rent was kind of crazy for what it was. I think college I was paying 1,700. I think it was 17 in college. It was around there. Because I literally just had like a studio with no doors. I had like my bed and then like my fucking desk like over there. It was a decent sized area, but then like parking was an extra certain amount a month, and parking here though is stupid. That's what one of the reasons why I got rid of my car too, because when I went to move here, they were like, "Oh yeah, it's gonna be $500 a month to park in the building," and I was like, "Good one, assholes." Nope. SMB going to. I think that's a bit aggressive. Rent in Chicago is about 1,500 one beds. Yeah, dude, rent's expensive. I mean, rent, and you're seeing a lot of rental inflation, even in the data. Like you can see it in the rental data too. Yeah, dude, exactly. I was like, this is stupid. I was like, that's like big nonsense there for that. I was like, really, bro? See, and the thing was too is I got the other car because it's gonna be in Florida, and I was like, I need a car, but nope, don't need a car here. So ditched it, got rinsed on the lease. Is what it is. SPY just kind of flatlining here. Let's see. You got 45 minutes until close. Let me just make sure I'm out of everything. I'm pretty 99% sure I am. Just making sure just in case. Yeah, I'm up 1.64% on the day. Cool. One of the bonuses of owning your own place, you can rent out the basement for half of what rent is elsewhere. This is also Chicagoland. Nice, man. Exxon continue down tomorrow. Wondering, it's gonna depend on oil. When's the OPEC meeting? Because aren't they doing? I'm pretty sure we have one in December. When's the OPEC meeting? So how do I get around town with no car? Ubers or walk? I mean, if I have to like go to my buddy's house, it's like an $8 to $10 Uber. Other than that, I'm like walking around. Like if I have to go to the store, like everything's pretty much right here. It's easy. Last one was this past Sunday. Oh, hold on? Did I really miss that? No way. Hold on. Hold on. Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, I missed that. OPEC said they were keeping everything the same, but open to emergency meetings if needed. Clinton, thank you, buddy. Yeah, because we were looking for another output cut in December, and I don't think they did, but they were hinting at the possibility of one coming. He's 6'2", so he's got long legs, less steps. I guess, man. I walk pretty fast. If I need to get somewhere, I'm speed walking. Plus, it's cold now. Like that's the other thing. It's fucking cold. So like if I have to walk like 20 minutes, I'm gonna freeze my ass off, and then I come in here coughing the next day. It's not nonsense, dude. All right, things are flickering around a little bit here. Let's see. Your mortgage is like $1,200 a month. Rent out 3/4 of your house for $1,100. You only pay $100 for your mortgage. That's pretty good, man. That's pretty good, Ryan. You always wanted to live in a city and not have to have a car. Yeah, I mean, I've had terrible luck with cars this year. I had to fix my old car a bunch, and then I got the new one. And then next car though is going to be sweet. The next car I get next year, which I think it'll be, I'll get a sweet car. Save up for something cool. And sniffling that everybody thinks you're doing coke. Dude, somebody literally sent me a message and was like, dude, if you're going to do blow, like, don't make it so obvious. And I'm like, I have a cold. Like, I'm not. We don't do drugs at work. We don't do drugs hardly ever. Unless I get like again, if I get drugged, which did happen. That was fun, I guess. I mean, not really, but you know. Let's see here. What's my new car? Well, I don't have a new car yet. Remember, we're hunting. We want the Pista, man. I want the damn Pista. But I also, the problem is I really like Gabe's Aston Martin. Like, I really like that thing. I just got to hit a bunch more crosses, and then I'm good to go. Just keep stacking. Yeah, see, that's nonsense. What's more likely since we rejected the main daily descending resistance, now broke 395, gap fell down to 380-ish or bounce back? You could come down and you could come down, up, retest, and then come back down. Who's Aston Martin? Gabe's got a sweet one. That's like the exact one that I like too. That's the problem. And then at one time he was threatening getting a Pista just like on a whim, and I was like, "Come on, bro, you can't cuck me on the cars that bad. You can't have both of the ones that I want. Then I'm just gonna look like I'm copying you." A Lucid, I don't want the Lucids, bro. I don't like them. Mainly because I don't want to support their silly delivery number projections. Having seen you mainlining energy drinks through college, no way you're on coke. Dude, I used to drink a shitload of energy drinks. I don't do that anymore. I just drink coffee. The Vantage, yeah, I think it's sweet, dude. All right, more downside over here. Let's see if Spy's gonna get to Iowa. The old car was the Mercedes truck, the GLB. It's not a truck. It was like the 4-door, I don't know, mini SUV. I liked it. It was sweet. That car was cool. I drove that thing all the way to Maryland and back and got a lot of toll tickets. Get a McLaren. I will never probably. I'm probably never gonna have a McLaren. They break too much. So I was in the shop. Not really that safe. They do all this weird stuff. Not for me. I mean, the Senna's nasty, but do you think I can get a Senna right now? Oh no. So it's not really a problem. my friend just texted me that he's been putting taco seasoning in his water as pre-workout and asking me if I'm scared yet for our taco competition later. Lambo, Ferrari all day long. The Dodge Demon. Haven't seen it. Haven't seen that one. All right. Apple just kind of flickering around over here. Let's see. The 23 Vantage is $6,000 to lease a month. Why not? Because it's like $6,000 a month to lease. Mercedes or BMW? I don't know. Isn't that the V12 though? I'm pretty sure the 23 one's like the V12. That's like expensive. CPI data is coming out next Wednesday or next Tuesday. We get CPI. Next Wednesday we get Powell. EV or gas? Gas. Gas all day long. I need the roar and the rumble. Cool. Thanks. No problem, man. Let's see. I was secretly, you were sincerely concerned for my digestive tract. My brother had a friend who had to have a part of his intestine removed because of on energy drinks. Jesus. I don't remember you telling me that. You didn't warn me about that. I was just thinking, I was like, I can't be drinking these all the time. I was like, this can't be good. So now I just drink coffee all day. Dude, I get Taco Tuesday later. It's going to be great. We had a good day. We got to rant. We got to make some money in the market. You get to go eat tacos. I mean, what better? How much better can it get? Feels like the end of the week, though. Especially after yesterday. Yesterday was long. You drove your buddy's Aventador. It's very fast, easy to drive. Oh, Aventadors are sweet. Wait till you upgrade to cappuccino all day like I did. Whoa. Let's settle down. I've got a fucking K-cup maker. That's all I got. I'm not going to be over here chefing up some like espresso shot or like the crazy things. I throw some water in, ice in the cup, K-cup in the thing, press the button, bing, bang, boom, done. None of this frothy. Hold on. That was really quick. Hold on 1 second, team. Alrighty, folks. Here is what we're going to do. We are probably going to be wrapping up the stream for today. I do have a couple of things that I forgot I got to go take care of. Other than that, everybody, thanks for everybody showing up. I'm going to actually change the title of this live stream and then hold on. The truth. Boom. And then we're going to wrap it up. And then hopefully everybody comes over here and then has a hissy fit. But I will see you guys later, guys. Love you all. This was fun. It's a very, very fun day. I'll see you guys all tomorrow on the private stream in the morning. Other than that, team, peace.